Hi, I'm Paul Vonderfecht with Energy Smart Company. We're a green building supplier and service provider. There are many great options out there for reducing the environmental impact of caring for your lawn. One includes a rain barrel. A rain barrel collects the water coming off your roof and going down the downspout, and it's eventually collected inside the actual tank right here. So this 65-gallon rain barrel right here features where the gutter will connect, an attractive planter where you could plant long overflowing type vines, which creates an attractive finish, especially in contrast to the terracotta recycled plastic finish. Then it has a mosquito guard and a sediment guard, so mosquitoes and sediment don't get into your rain barrel. So this holds 65 gallons, and at that point when 65 gallons has filled up your rain barrel, it has an overflow valve right here. And then when you want to water your plants, it has a brass spigot instead of plastic spigot, so it'll hold up better over time. Then a gravity-fed hose. In addition to the 65-gallon rain barrel, there's a 55-gallon rain barrel, which is shorter in height and wider. Have you ever had your sprinklers go off when it's raining? A great product to eliminate that is the Clima SCX sprinkler control system. The Clima SCX features an in-ground sensor which goes 6 inches into the ground, and this sensor measures your soil's temperature, electroconductivity, and moisture content. And it uses those 3 factors to determine your soil's threshold. And so after your soil's threshold has been determined, it prevents your sprinklers from going off until it drops below that threshold. So this unit right here wires into your existing Toro or Hunter or Rainbird or whatever brand control system that you have, and it prevents those sprinklers from going off until it needs to. So by preventing chronic overwatering, you're going to save 40 to 60% on your irrigation costs. It's going to encourage deeper root growth, which improves the health of your lawn. You will use less fertilizers, and then you'll have the convenience of not having to go back and forth to your controller and turning your sprinklers on and off based off of how much it's rained or it's going to rain. Harnessing the power of the sun with solar LED lighting is an environmentally friendly way of illuminating your backyard. Maxa Innovations manufactures the brightest solar LED spotlights and security floodlights on the market. The Executive Path Light is also the brightest solar path light on the market. It also manufactures a 7-foot tall double tower unit, which is sure to illuminate your path. Instead of sending your food scraps to the landfill, you can use a composter to turn it into healthy compost, which can be used for your garden. The Earthmaker composter is one of the best designed composters on the market today. It features a lid that will open and close where you put the food in initially. The first stage is the mixing stage. Then to transfer it to the second stage, all you simply do is pull out the divider right here. And then to transfer it from that stage to the final stage, you use this rod to push the compost through, which will go to the third stage. The bottom of the composter is open to the ground, which will encourage worms to go to it. And in that stage, it's generating a lot of heat. Heat rises, so the heat will rise up the composter and accelerating the compost cycle. The Earthmaker composter will compost twice as much as a typical composter due to its intelligent design of having a black exterior, separating the compost in different stages, and when you do that, it will compost quicker. If you don't want to go outside to compost, the Nature Mill composter is a great solution. It easily fits underneath your kitchen sink and produces no odors. So it has a foot pedal to open it up, and then it has blades which automatically turn once every 4 hours to mix the compost. And within about a 10-day period, it'll complete the composting cycle, where it'll transfer it to the final stage where your compost will come out into a nice little potting bin. And on average, you can compost about 5 pounds of food per day, so it'll really suit a good family of 4 to 5.